Welcome to Analyst Sultan, where we simply digital marketing and analytics for you. In today's video, we will learn how to enable the data layer on WordPress website. To enhance your tracking and analytics capabilities, let's get started. Have you ever wondered how experts track website action like clicks, purchases, and from submissions seamlessly? The secret lies in the data layer. By the end of this video, you will know how to enable it on your WordPress site and why it's game changer for analytics. So stay tuned. Before jumping into the technical step, let's quick understanding what is a data layer. A data layer is like a storage space on your website. It collects important data about your users, their actions, and your website content. It acts as a bridge between your website and tools like Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, and Facebook Pixel, and ensure data is passed accurately and efficiently. Benefits of using a website data layer: accurate tagging avoids errors from skipping the DOM. Custom tagging enables tagging for unique actions like button click or video play. Enhance insight prepare your website for advanced tools like Google Analytics 4 and server-side tracking. Scalability make it easier to add new tracking features without changing your website's codes repeatedly. The data layer is essential for modern tracking strategy. Did you know there are 3 simple ways to connect your website with Google Tag Manager and enable the data layer? The first method is manually add this Google Tag Manager script to your website. You will need to edit your theme's header.php file and paste this GTM container code head sections. This method is straightforward, but you need to be cautious when editing course files to avoid errors. The second method is the use of plugin called insert header and footers. These plugins make it easier to add to GTM script without touching your website code. Simply install and active this plugin, then go to the plugin settings and paste this GTM code. The header section, save your sense, and you are good to go. The third and most versatile method and one we will use this video is the Google Tag Manager for WordPress GTM4WP plugin. This plugin not only helps you connect GTM to your website but also enables advanced features like the data layer for tracking custom events, e-commerce action, and more. In the next steps, I will show you exactly how to install, configure, and use this plugin to enable the data layer on your websites. Let's dive in. So this method that works best for you, but for this tutorials we will stick with the GTM4WP plugin because it user friendly and support advanced tracking. Let me know in the comments if you are ready to following along. So let's get started. This is my website. Firstly, I want to connect GTM on this website. Then I will enable WordPress data layer. So firstly, need to go Google Tag Manager. This is the Google Tag Manager. I already create a web container. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. So firstly, I will connect this code with our website. Copy this code. Then go back to my WordPress website backend and then click on plugin sections. This is my WordPress website plugin section. Then I need to add a plugin. I already add a plugin GTM4WP. This is the plugin. Then again click on install plugin. Then click on settings. Then paste your GTM code. I already paste here. Then click save changes. If I click on Google Tag Manager, then need to paste your website URL. Then click on connect. And click again Google Tag Assistance. We'll see that our Google Tag Manager connected with our website, and we'll see all of this information. If I click any product, we'll show that here is no product details. So I need to enable website data layer. So I need to go back again website backend, then find out again Google Tag Manager, or click plugin sections, then again click install it plugins, then click on settings, then again click on integration, then again click e-commerce. Now I need to turn on some settings. So firstly need to track a e-commerce, then click here, then these are 0, Then again click cart content in data layer. Enable this option, include this content of this cart in the data layer to space need to commerce newer, especially useful to site personalized tools. Need to enable this. Then one is customer data in data layer. Enable this to all customers and data bill and shippings data, number of orders and orders value into the data layer. So I need to enable this. Another one is order data in data layer. I need to enable this, add all data attribute in the data layer to order receive page regardless and independently for classic and enhanced e-commerce tracking. Now I need to scroll down. Then clear e-commerce object before new event. Need to enable this. Then click save changes. Now I need to click again basic data. If you have a blog site, you need to enable these features like post author ID or posted date, and another one is visitor. You need to enable login status or logged in user role. Need to enable this. And another one is login user email and username. You need to enable this. So our website data layer enable process done. I need to check it. Our website data layer enable or not enable. So again click on Google Tag Manager preview section. Then click any product. If you click again Google Tag Assistance and click view items, here you will see that product names, product price, product category, and product ID and product currency. Everything is here. So our website data layer is enabled, done. And that's it for today. You have successfully enabled the data layer on your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Analyst Sultan for more tips and analytics, taxing, and digital marketing. Got questions or need help? Drop a comment below or reach out through the link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.